Hello everyone, my name is Dosi and I am here as an instructor about your Microsoft Excel. I have a great expertise in Microsoft Excel, so I decided to let's share my knowledge to everyone. And welcome to the course of beginner to advanced with the example. Yes, actually, in my course, I have separated with the different kind of sections in my tutorial. So, first section is introduction, second is basic Excel functions, then after conditional formatting, data validation, and then after you will create analytical dashboard and user input form like with the help of a macro coding. So first of all, in the introduction part, I have created a basic content about the how Excel works and hands-on experience about the Excels, then different kind of data filtration, border, format painter, and what is the home tab, and what is the attachment is given. So this kind of a basic Excel function one must have to learn and understand. So I have captured this thing in the first section, and then after you will move towards the basic Excel functions like two-day functions, dollar command, and data validations, and different kind of examples. With again, you will use a lot of if and nested if functions, which will really help you in practical situations. So this was the second section, and then after you will move forward to the conditional formatting, where you will automatically apply the border wherever the content is written. The border automatically will be reflected, and you will also use a remote duplicate tool, which is help widely used in the different kind of problems. So this was the third section, and then after you will guided to the data filtration, in which you will widely use VLOOKUP and my favorite function, which is index match, and if or then after you will analyze your data, and after that at the end you will create analytical dashboard, in which you will widely use count if equations. Then you will create a bar chart, pie chart, different kind of graphical representations of your data. And then after I have taken a macro one example, in which let us assume that you are a team leader and you have a different kind of peoples around you working with you, and you think that as a team leader all the tasks must be assigned properly, and whenever any task is getting overdue, you want to shoot an email automatically from the Excel. So just this kind of a technique which I have created by myself and I am sharing with you all. You just have to press the one button, and all the overdue tasks automatically, when all the emails get shooted, and automatically your Outlook will be opened up, and all the mails will be shooted to your team members. So this example will help you a lot. So this kind of all the things I have captured over here, and my more intention is to elaborate in a easier way, simplest way, and you will get easily understand. So best thing is that I have captured with this help of the example, and throughout just one example you will create lot of data, and you will analyze by yourself. You will create the Excel spreadsheets, and you will understand the different kind of Excel sheets and functions. So this is the whole course about. And also I have created one assignments for you, and also throughout the lecture series you will be guided through the different kind of quiz. You have to pass on that, and if any query you can immediately mail me on my Excel's expert online at gmail.com, which is shown below. And yes, it will really help you. And still more content is on the way, and I'm continuously preparing different kind of tutorials, and which will come up after the section 2, in which you will analyze mid, search, stream, different kind of widely used Excels for data formatting, data visualizations purpose. So this kind of different content I have created, and more my intention is to give you the easy understanding. And I have not actually prepared a small video that you will see that oh, there are so many lectures, but in one video you will get more information and more learnings. So this is my personal thinking, and so that let's start the course, and let us stop discussion over here. and be join the course. And if any query, I am here to help you, guide you. You can comment and add your questions in any of the lectures. Just be enjoy and happy learning.